Blaine, Anoka, Minneapolis. When your heat quits, you feel it fast. A&E Heating and Cooling gets you comfortable again without the runaround. Furnace acting up, boiler not keeping up, or a heat pump struggling? We diagnose it clearly, then fix it right. AC blowing warm, short cycling, or making weird noises? From quick repairs to a solid tune-up, we keep summer steady. And when it's time for a new system, we handle clean, careful installation. If it can't wait, we're ready for emergency help. Call us today.